Today, my invitation is for you to think about these three questions. I'd like you to rate yourself from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. How happy are you at work today? How happy are you with your personal life? And this third question, I'd really like you to think from your heart. How much inner peace do you experience right now from 1 to 10? Having clarity on where you are today is the start of your journey from self-discovery to self-mastery. Build from within, starting with self-awareness. Remember, I am. Integrity, authenticity, and meaning. This is a conscious choice we have to make each day. I stands for integrity. Integrity is your relationship with your true self. By practicing self-care, you are able to bring new ideas and inspiration to work each day. I travel 80% of the time. I practice self-care by making sure I get my good sleep, and every morning I have my ritual, and that includes meditation and yoga practice. A stands for authenticity. Authenticity is when your actions are aligned with your values. Authentic leaders gain trust because they are courageous being themselves. Now, how many of us say yes when what we actually mean is no? And how many of us say no when what we actually mean is yes? Authenticity is what motivates people to take action. M stands for meaning. Meaning is about using our gifts to serve others, being part of something bigger than ourselves. We feel energized when we are making positive contributions, not only to the organization that we are part of, but to the broader community. If you like this video, please feel free to share so other people may benefit from it. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.